Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika Dang and I have with me the fantastic H2A Ultra HD TV. Watch on to know more about its fabulous features and why this TV is a must to take your viewing experience to the next level. With a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, this Ultra HD TV gives you resolution that is 4 times greater than Full HD. Detail is everything, and I can tell you that H2A does not disappoint. You and your family will be captivated by the lifelike and exceptional precision of every image on your screen. With a display of over 8 million pixels, you're assured of high dynamic picture quality, a wide color gamut and dynamic contrast. Wide color gamut technology reproduces 30% purer and richer colors than traditional LED screens, enabling you to effectively discover intense and ultra-realistic colors in your living room. In fact, this smart TV even upgrades 2K image quality that you're streaming online or from your USB to 4K quality. So you're assured of a quality viewing experience regardless of the quality of the video uploaded. The HDR Pro technology produces dazzling detailed images with accurate reproduction of light and dark shades. With HDR10 full support, it allows you to experience HDR content via HDMI, USB, TV, VOD, etc. What this means is that you're going to feel the thrill of running through the alleys with your favorite superhero, and you're going to catch the detail of every play of light. Further, this is enhanced with iFalcon's proprietary software algorithm MEMC 120Hz. This makes pictures smoother with both the TV signal and multimedia signal, enabling you to experience every detail of your fast-moving and action-packed content. The micro-dimming technology analyzes TV content in hundreds of separate zones, adjusting bright and dark areas independently so as to ensure a fantastic viewing experience with great contrast and vivid picture quality. Now enjoy high-class sound which takes you away from your normal life into a world of fantasy, action and romance. The Harman Kardon sound system elevates your experience with cinema-quality audio that takes movie experience to the next dimension. With front-firing speakers having a 30-watt capacity, delivering incredibly immersive sound for your movies, music and video games, your entertainment time is never going to be the same again. Further, the Dolby and DTS surround sound technology optimizes the TV's internal sound quality, making sure there's no audio compression and recreating the rich acoustic field of a live performance. So you're going to be transported, and the best part, you don't need to pack your bags. The iFalcon 75H2A with Android TV 7.0 smart system fully supports Google Play with a built-in Chromecast and voice search, bringing you brand new smart life experience and enjoyment. This TV does not come with Google Assistant and AI like the F2A series. Without even pressing a button, just say the word and watch your favorite shows and playlists play all by themselves. This smart TV comes inbuilt with every entertainment app of your choice, be it Netflix, JioCinema, YouTube, Hotstar, Voot, YapTV, Eros Now, etc. Further, this smart TV has ensured you never have another boring day in your life. Netflix original series is now directly available on this 4K UHD HDR quality TV. The Chromecast built-in technology allows you to cast from your mobile screen, laptop or tablet, so now you can directly connect your smaller devices at the touch of a button and enjoy life-size viewing with fantastic audio. The quad-core CPU and the dual-core GPU comes with 2.5 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. You can now store your favorite shows and movies on your smart TV and watch them at leisure, taking breaks whenever you feel like it. This makes multitasking easier and reduces response time so as to ensure smooth running of your TV. Not only has this smart TV understood all your requirements and used superior technology to go beyond that, it has been designed elegantly, fitting in beautifully into your modern and classy lifestyle. With an ultra-thin body and narrow frame, your images can expand into full display space so that they aren't cut off at the top or corners anymore. The metal frame reflects your functionality, elegance and minimalism while also enhancing the TV's heat-radiating performance. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family with this beautiful TV and enjoy a short, speedy delivery, hassle-free installation, an in-depth demo and a short brand warranty all at your doorstep. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.